Giacomo speaking. Thanks for watching this quick video on Castor Maritime stock. Castor Maritime stock has been performing very well since the beginning of the new year, and mainly because the good news about this company and about the vaccines that are around us, and there is hope that we can cope with the virus. So it means that the new economy will be developed to consider, to take in account that the virus is among us, will be with us, as well as this is how the airlines companies are gonna work with, the cruise companies try to work with, because the vaccine, at least for the next years, I believe it will be with us. So now let's get into it, and let's see what we can see, if we can predict the next step of this stock, just using a little bit of technical analysis. And as I always suggest, try to combine technical and fundamental analysis. The good news why this stock now has been so volatile after, this is my technical analysis interpretation, but going back to the reason why this stock has been so volatile since the beginning of New Year is because they grant a 15.3 million debt to finance, to invest in the company's growth plans. So the company is growing, they're trying to cope with the vaccine, they're trying to be fit in this new economic situation, economic environment, and this one looks like a reversal signal, a rounding or bottom saucer or rounding reversal pattern, and the idea is to go long, mainly based on technical analysis, and we got also the support from the fundamental analysis. There is this good news around this company, so the idea would be to go long with the first target price of $0.5. It's a very cheap company, it's good to buy. No, not buy a lot, because this is always a very small company. There is always a risk. It's not like investing in Apple and Tesla or Uber, but there are still risks to invest in these small companies. Small, I mean, they're not, they not got a lot of warranties like the other big companies. They've not got any big background, but they can suddenly just go down. So they've not got the stability, let's say, as the other big companies. So there is always a risk, and this is why they are so cheap, I believe. And so this is mainly, do not invest a lot of money. This is my personal point of view into it. Just it can be seen more as like more as kind of a bet. But let's see, this will be 0.6 US dollar up, not straight away, but just in a zigzag way, following this uptrend line. As we are right now, this uptrend seems very seems too steep. So it seems very steep, and so I think because it's too steep, what we can happen in the next months, that it can stop and it can pause a little bit, moving sideways before going up again. So it needs to adjust the steep, needs to adjust the inclination of this bullish trend. It's too inclined, it's too steep. So to adjust it, perhaps it will be for a couple of months moving sideways before moving up again with a different slope or with a lower slope. But anyway, in conclusion, based on fundamental and technical analysis, the idea is to go long. And please just compare another way to find signals for the stock is compare the same company with other companies in the same businesses. In fact, if you're gonna compare with the ship Seanergy Maritime Holdings, we are exactly at the same situation. Target price 1.15 US dollar, bullish trend. This one seems a reversal signal again. So again, this one is exactly behaving in the same way of Castor Maritime. So both companies behaving in the same way. It's a good signal. It's a good signal showing that these maritime companies have started to recover from the COVID-19 situation, I mean bad situation, economic situation. So they've started recovering, so it's good news. But again, this to me, this bullish trend is too steep. I'm waiting for a relaxation of this bullish trend. So perhaps prices will be moving sideways, but it's fine because the idea is always to go long. Now the steep of this trend actually does matter a lot because it's always a bullish trend. So the idea is to go long, and as well as for ship as well as for Castor Maritime, the idea is to go long, and with the first target price of $0.5 for Castor Maritime, and while for Seanergy Maritime the idea is to get this $1.15 as next target price. So both companies performing very well. Again, good signal that this business is recovering. So the idea again is to go long. Thanks.